Hi, here's another video helping with graphing the inverses. So in this first question here, once in each problem, find the inverse of a function, then graph both the function and its inverse. It is a good idea to use different shapes to distinguish between the functions and its inverse. I, however, am going to use different colors. So I use black colors here. So I want 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my first dot. Negative 5 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. Negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, negative 4, negative 4, 4, negative 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, and then 3, negative 1, 3, negative 1. So these black dots are our original function. So remember, to do our inverse function, we need to flip everything around. So this is going to become 4 comma 2. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So this was the original point here, and now it's over here. Then we have 3 comma negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's our new point here. So our original was way over here, and this is our new one over here. Negative 2, comma negative 3. Oops, sorry, I forgot to flip those. See, always good to double check your work. This would be negative 3, comma negative 2. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So there we go there. And this point was originally negative 2, negative 3. So this was the original point here. So you can see it had a reflection there. Oh, and then something interesting is going to happen. So we have 1, 1. So 1, 1 ends up right back there. So what we call this an inflection point. It's basically a point that doesn't change between the two graphs. The same is going to happen here. Negative 4, negative 4. You can't really tell that I swapped those two 4s around. So that one is also going to stay in the same position. So then we have negative 2, negative 1. So negative 2, negative 1. You can see it's across the way from our original one here. And then our last one, fit it here, 3 comma negative 1. Oops, once again, I forgot to switch. This is always really fun when you're dyslexic, I tell you. Negative 1 and 3. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3. So here's the point up here. You can see it's reflection 1 down here. So there's the graph of the original in black and the inverse with all of the points switched in red. What do you notice about the inverse function? Hopefully you can notice again that reflection over the line. So we have this line that's y equals x, and you can see the 2 points that fall right on that line don't move. Everything else reflects over that line. So this one was in the bottom corner, now it's in the top corner. It was in the bottom corner, now in the top corner. Down here, reflected, over here. Down here, reflected, over here. Up here, reflected down here. So this is how you graph the inverse of a function. You just swap those points around x and y.